Hello, hi, welcome to the class. Today we will be continue the stopping chapter. So previous class we were discussing meaning of stopping, putting a people in a job, in organization, in generally stopping. So stopping as a part of human resource management. Human resource management process including five basic activities. Number one, human resource planning. Number two, staffing. Number three, training and development. Number four, performance appraisal. Number five, compensation. All these activities comes under the human resource management. So now we are going to discuss stopping. The traditionally stopping functions is just one part of human resource management. Stopping pertaining to recruiting, selection, training, development to person employed. All of these functions are covered by the operative functions of human resource management. All these covered by the operative functions of human resource management. For example, recruiting. So we recruiting the employees. And next, selection. So many people are candidates apply the employee, but we are selecting the whoever holding the capability for job specification and employee specification will be matched. So that type of people we should be selection among the employees, among the candidates. And after selection, we are providing the training to the selected candidate for increasing the efficiency for performing a functions in the organization and conducting the development program to career to the employees are matching the job specification in a organization being employees. It is helps to the achieving the organizational goals and objectives, and also all employees performing the functions efficiently, economically, effectively to persons employed. For example, any one person we are recruiting in any organization, we are providing this type of programs to the employees for the sake of achieving the organizational goals and objectives. All of these functions are covered by the operative functions of human resource management. Right? Human resource management involves the planning, acquisition and development of human resource necessary for organizational structure. Hence, it can be concluded that stopping is part of human resource management. See, any one functions under the human resource management, it is fulfilling the required human resource to the organization for the sake of performing a functions and achieving the goals and objectives within a time bound in a organization. Majority of modern authorities in a management subject advocate that stopping is a part of human resource management and give the following reason in supporting of their viewpoints. Some of the experts, they are finding that some factors why require staffing process in an organization. They are finding some of the factors under this. Number one, staffing is a functions which bring together the human assets and physical assets of the organization. Staffing will bring the human assets and physical assets together in an organization. And next one, staffing involves knowledge and approach to the concept of hiring, retaining and firing of personnel in the organization. Staffing involves knowledge and approaches to the concept of hiring. And next one, staffing is continuous and found at every level of management, lower level, middle level or higher level. Introduction of human resource accounting also justify that staffing should be treated as a part of human resource management. Finally, human relations approach recognize human factor as more important instrument of success in the organization. So, we require giving importance to the staffing. Suppose we are not able to recruiting a qualified and capability employees, we can't able to performing the functions and we are unable to facing the competition in a market. And also we are not able to maximum utilization of maximum utilization of the resources in a organization. But staffing process, when providing the qualified competency employees, it is helps to the eliminate the unnecessary process in an organization. That's why we require to performing a functions or holding the scope under the human resource management. Name of the staffing. Staffing is very essential in an organization for the sake of achieving the organizational goals and objectives. We were discussing what I said earlier. Staffing as a part of human resource management, it includes 5 basic activities. Number 1, human resource planning. So human resource management, making a human resource planning. How much employees required? What is the workforce in a specific period in our organization? All these factors comes under the human resource planning. And next one, staffing. What I said that staffing consists recruiting, selection, training, development. And next one, training and development. Training, providing the training to employees, increasing the skills for doing a particular task in an organization. And development, they are conducting the developmental programs, improving the careers of the employees in the organization. Meantime, it is helps to the achieve the organizational goals and objectives. And next one, performance appraiser. Human resource management also conducting performance appraiser, because when employees performing the functions in a specific period, when we are conducting the performance appraisal, they may be working effectively, performing a functions effectively, efficiently, economically, then only they are getting the rewards and awards in an organization. So that's why it is also another functions performing under the human resource management. So finally, compensation. Compensation is also one of the factors under the human resource management. Whether we are providing like monetary or non-monetary or any either salary or wages in organization, all these factors comes under the compensation. So under human resource management, all these factors comes under the human resource management. So staffing also one of the part of the human resource management.